Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making chicken momos. All we need is boneless chicken, lemon, black pepper, salt, maida or flour. So first make a dough using lukewarm water and plain flour and make a batter for sealing the momos using maida with plain water. So let's start making momos. Firstly, cut the boneless chicken in very small pieces. Add lemon juice in chicken, mix it, lemon juice in chicken, add little oil in a frying pan. Now add the chicken, add salt to taste, mix it well, toss it up. Because this is a boneless chicken, it will cook very fast, so cook it for 3-4 minutes. Now add black pepper powder, mix it again. Check your chicken is done. Now take a small portion of dough, flatten up, cut the edges, and your momo seat is ready. Put the stuffing in the center. Now on the edges make the paste to seal the momo and prepare your momo like this. Now steam it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes your chicken momos, very tasty, very healthy, is ready. Serve it hot with chili garlic sauce. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.